Facebook's video chat platform, that is the Messenger Room, is now available on WhatsApp web and will be soon available for WhatsApp Android as well as iPhone app. The Zoom rival from the social networking giant will allow up to 50 people to be in a single room in a video call. Here's how to get going with the Messenger Room on WhatsApp web before you start using it. Before we start this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's see how to start. First, you need to open WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop, whichever you have. But then when you open the WhatsApp web, you have to click on someone. If you want to chat a video, if you want to start a video call, you can even use a group or an individual, and then once you click on it, you will see an attachment option on the top. As you all know, in the attachment we always have a camera, photos, documents, contacts and all. There's another option which is added, which is new. It is called as rooms. Once you click on the rooms option, you will be asked a question that is going to be if you want to go to Messenger. Remember that Messenger is a separate website. It's not the same as WhatsApp, and the terms and conditions of WhatsApp and Messenger are different. So when you click on continue to Messenger, you will be taken to the Messenger which follows the Facebook's terms conditions. Users who are not logged into their Messenger will have to log in to use this feature, and once you log in, you will be asked the question if you want to create a room with your name. You will be given an option that is if you want to lock the room, like to prevent other people from joining the room. And you can also keep it open, like whoever members are in the group can share the link of the room to other people so that they can join in this room as well. You can chat in this room like normal, not just video call or talking to each other. You can even chat in a separate thing in the room. Chats in the room are not end-to-end encrypted because this does not follow WhatsApp's terms and conditions. It does follow the Facebook's terms. The person who has created this room can either add someone or remove someone whenever they want to, and he can end the call whenever he want to. If the person who created the room is not present, the group is not gonna start. The room is not gonna start. You will not see people in the group if the creator is not there. There is no time limit on how many minutes or how many hours you can talk to other people or chat with other people in this room. This is a non-time limited room which you can use for however long you want to use. Since a lot of people are thinking twice before they join Zoom application because Zoom was pronounced Chinese and it may get banned, Jio has made an option, and this looks like another alternative. The WhatsApp web looks like another alternative, and since this is going to be coming very soon in WhatsApp Android and iOS as well, this will be very helpful for all the people who are actually using Zoom right now without having any option. So this was all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.